WEIRUN Aluminium, founded in 2012 in Hutun Town, Guangdong, has developed into a professional aluminium production enterprise. Our enterprise covers an area of 30,000 square meters, with advanced production equipment and technology, mainly produces extruded aluminium, professional lighting aluminium, and line lamp aluminium, while providing office lamp aluminium and magnetic lamp aluminium and other customized products. With high-quality products and excellent customized services, WEIRUN Aluminium has established a good reputation in domestic and foreign markets. WEIRUN Aluminium is committed to technological innovation and product quality, and constantly improve production efficiency and product accuracy. We support international orders, have the ability to serve the global market, and has established stable cooperative relations with customers in many countries. Through precise market positioning and excellent customer service, WEIRUN Aluminium strives to meet the requirements of different industries and markets. Looking forward to the future, WEIRUN Aluminium will continue to expand production scale, strengthen R&D investment, and enhance the competitiveness of the global aluminium market. We adhere to the principle of quality-oriented, customer-first, is committed to providing customers with more value and better service, and promote the sustainable development of enterprises and the industry.